So there's a lot of differentiations between CastBox and other podcast app. The big differentiation we have now a feature called a live cast. So basically live cast is a live podcast. So a host can launch a live show and all his audience, his listeners can call in, can leave a message, can engage with him or her. And the podcast will be recorded and after the live show and it can be uploaded as a replay. So, and during the conversation, all the people can send in virtual gift, can have real-time engagement with the host. Now, majority of our users are from the US. So 50% of the users are from the US and 30% of the users are from European countries. We have 0 Chinese users. I think there will be 3 elements for podcasts in the future. If you take podcast as an on-demand audio or as a format of audio, I think later the audio will be more social, will be more personalized, and it will be more easier to find what they want and do personalized recommendations. So I believe within 2 or 3 years, the world will change totally. There's like 3 drivers there. First, I believe is 5G. So after 5G, it means that all the devices without screen can be able to connect with the internet. The second drivers in the future for the audio would be the AI. So after the AI, machine learning, natural language process, becoming more and more advanced, that means that all the things can easily happen by voice control. The third trending will be the cloud. So I believe that in the near future, all the calculation will be done in the cloud instead of the end user, end devices. It means that the devices would be even smarter than today. So personally, last year I spent most of my time in the US, and this year a little more time in the China with the engineer team. And so basically now my whole life since get up until to go to sleep, all my time belongs to the company. I enjoy the journey a lot because every day I met a lot of problems and challenges and and shitty stuff. But it's a lot of fun to try to overcome myself, to try to become a better version of myself.